Hello, in this video we will take a look at the Motion Gestures touch demo. The demo showcases Motion Gestures' embedded AI solution for touch gesture recognition. The demo runs on the ATSAMC21 Xplained Pro and it recognizes gestures drawn on the QT8 Xplained Pro touch surface. The demo GUI shows the input gesture path on the right and the output from the Motion Gestures library on the left. When a finger touches down on the touch surface, all of the touch coordinates are collected until the finger is lifted. Then the collected coordinates are passed to the Motion Gestures library for recognition. If the library recognizes the gesture, it will return the label associated with that gesture. And if it does not recognize the gesture, it will return the rejected label. The demo can recognize 6 different types of gestures: M, checkmark, S, 2, alpha, and star. Keep in mind that the finger cannot be lifted until the gesture is complete. All recognitions are path dependent. This is what distinguishes this solution from basic character recognition. Here we can see the 9 distinct gesture definitions for the demo project as they are defined in the Motion Gestures SDK. The M can be drawn capital or lowercase. The check mark can be drawn with straight lines or with a slight curve in each line. The 2 can be drawn with a sharp corner at the bottom or in a more cursive style with a loop at the bottom. The alpha gesture begins at the top right and completes at the bottom right. The S begins at the top right and completes at the bottom left. The star gesture must begin at the top point, trace down to the left first, and then trace around until reaching the top again. The M, checkmark, and 2 gestures each have 2 variations to account for some of the different ways that they can be drawn. In the demo, these variations are mapped to the same output label. So for instance, a capital M or a lowercase m will both map to the same output. The project can also be configured to recognize different variations independently or to ignore specific variations, whatever is needed for the application. When creating a new project in the Motion Gestures SDK, only one example of each desired gesture must be provided. Many machine learning applications require the user to provide large datasets to learn from, but this is not necessary for a Motion Gestures project. With just one example of each distinct gesture, the SDK can train a reliable model. To learn more about Microchip's touch sensing portfolio, visit microchip.com/touch. And to learn more about Motion Gestures' embedded AI solution for gesture recognition, visit motiongestures.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the demo.